Hi, I'm Brittany with WTA, and if you are already into crocheting but want to simplify your tools, or you're wanting to get into crocheting, you have to check out this set. This is the Yarniss Counting Crochet Hook Set. It has been a long time since I have crocheted, so I was really happy to get something that was very simple. It comes with its own charging cord, and this is just so nice. It has 18 different hooks. You can see each one has the number written. It goes as high as 12, and as you can see, it goes continually smaller and gets as small as a 2. You just attach it into the little slots and take the wrench, and you're going to turn it until you hear a click. And now you're ready to crochet. You have the counting option. You can count your rows. It's going to stay there even when the screen turns off. You can turn it back on and update it when you go back to crocheting. It also has an ability to count your stitches depending on the row that you're in. You can go up and down. And this really helps you into reminding you where you are and not losing your place and having to redo your stitches because you lost count. It has this really awesome light feature. It works like a flashlight. It also has a glow-in-the-dark feature. And I loved the flashlight because if you're in low lighting or maybe you have a hard time seeing, it really just adds that extra visibility that you need to see where each of the stitches are. And you can see as you progress how easy it is to keep track of where you are. I made a crochet tie for my husband. It was a nice project to get me back into crocheting. And that's my point of view.